Hello, home design lovers and cozy space dreamers. Welcome back to our channel, where we transform your home into a haven of comfort and style. I'm so thrilled you're joining me today, whether you're a regular or just stopping by for some fresh inspiration. We're diving into something close to the heart, how to make an awesome and cozy bedroom that feels like your personal retreat. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary where you unwind and recharge, and I can't wait to share ideas to make it happen. So grab a warm blanket, settle in, and let's create a bedroom you'll never want to leave. Ready to get inspired? Let's jump right in. Color and texture set the mood for a cozy bedroom, and it all starts with a soothing palette. Picture soft walls in warm beige or dusty blue, creating a calm backdrop that invites relaxation. Layer in textures like a plush area rug in neutral tones, or a knitted throw draped over the bed for instant warmth. One bedroom I adore used linen bedding in creamy white paired with velvet pillows in sage green for a touch of luxury. Wood accents, like a reclaimed headboard or nightstand, add an organic feel that grounds the space. These elements work together to make your bedroom feel inviting and serene. Want more tips to cozy up your home? Hit that subscribe button and join our design community today. Furniture choices can make or break your bedroom's cozy vibe. So let's keep it smart and stylish. Imagine a low platform bed with clean lines, dressed in soft bedding to maximize comfort. Nightstands with built-in storage keep clutter at bay, while a slim bench at the foot of the bed holds extra blankets or books. One cozy bedroom I saw used a plush upholstered chair in a corner, creating a perfect reading nook without crowding the space. Opt for furniture in warm wood tones or matte finishes to maintain a modern yet inviting feel. These pieces create a balanced layout that feels spacious and restful. Loving these ideas? Subscribe now to keep the inspiration flowing for your home. Lighting and decor are the secret sauce to an awesome bedroom, adding personality and warmth. Think layered lighting with a sleek pendant, or chandelier for ambience, paired with soft bedside lamps for evening reading. A large mirror leaning against the wall reflects light and makes the room feel bigger, while a few curated decor pieces, like a ceramic vase or framed art, add charm without clutter. One stunning bedroom used string lights draped over a headboard for a whimsical, cozy glow. Add sheer curtains or woven shades to soften windows and create a dreamy atmosphere. These touches make your bedroom a personal oasis. Ready to transform your space? Subscribe to our channel and let's make your bedroom a cozy masterpiece.